Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw capital gains distributions in Vanguard without penalties. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw capital gains distributions in Vanguard without penalties, start by logging into your Vanguard account. Navigate to the My Accounts section. Select the account from which you want to withdraw distributions. Click on Transact or Buy and Sell depending on the interface. Choose the option to withdraw funds. Select Withdraw or Transfer as your action type. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure to select capital gains distributions as the source of your withdrawal. Review the details of your transaction for accuracy. Confirm that you understand any potential tax implications. Proceed to submit your withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message once the transaction is submitted. Check your email for further instructions or confirmation. Monitor your account for the status of your withdrawal. Remember that capital gains distributions may only be withdrawn during specific periods. If you have any queries, access the customer support section for assistance. This ensures that your withdrawal is done smoothly without incurring any penalties. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.